बेंगलुरु की सेंट्रल क्राइम ब्रांच ने शहर में मंशियात की अब तक की सबसे बड़ी 21 करोड़ रुपए की मालियत की मंशियात जब्त की हैं। इत्तलात पर कार्रवाई करते हुए उन्होंने 44 साला लेनर्ड ऑकवुडली को गिरफ्तार किया, जो एक नाइजीरियन शहरी हैं। मंशियात चूड़ीदार सेट्स, बेड स्प्रेड्स और चॉकलेट के डिब्बों में छिपाई गई थीं, जो कि नए साल की तकरीबात के दौरान चंद खास खरीदारों के लिए थीं। पुलिस को स्मगलिंग का पता राममूर्ति नगर में ऑकवुडली की रिहाइशगाह पर छापे के दौरान मिला। नारकोटिक ड्रग्स एंड साइकोट्रॉपिक सब्सटेंस एक्ट के तहत मुकदमा दर्ज किया गया है। बेंगलुरु के पुलिस कमिश्नर बी दयानंद ने इस शहर में अब तक की सबसे बड़ी मंशियात की जब्ती बताया है।
The anti-narcotics wing of Bangalore City crime branch has done an excellent work in apprehending an African national who was the main drug peddler, and from him the police have recovered and seized about 60 kgs of MDMA in crystal and powder form and 500 grams of cocaine. The illegal market value of this contraband substance is estimated to be about 21 crores. The culprit or the accused is believed to be from Africa, and he has come on a business visa to India about a year back, and he was staying in a rented accommodation in Ramapur area of Bangalore City. And the preliminary investigation or preliminary inquiry of the person indicates that he had stored this large amount of drugs as the new year was approaching. He was expecting some sales activity, and it was also found that he had concealed these items in various soap boxes and bedsheet covers, chocolate boxes, and these kind of things. And the police are further interrogating the person. Probably this is the highest drug haul in Bangalore so far, both in terms of MDMA and in terms of cocaine. This is the biggest stop. I wholeheartedly appreciate the excellent work done by the CCB anti-narcotics, the officers and staff have relentlessly pursued certain leads which we had obtained, and they have ultimately succeeded in this criminal and recovered this large amount of substances, drugs. And I also announced 1 lakh reward for